Last time, we used the balanced method to solve an equation. Here, we've got x plus 10 is 18. Using the balanced method, we put minus 10 here and the same on the other side. On the left, minus 10 cancel out to nothing. So we just say x is equal 18 minus 10. Of course, we have to do a subtraction to solve x. And here you can see x is equal 8. Now let me show movement method for the same problem. X plus 10 is 18. Step 1. Isolate x. The 10 has to go to the other side. We are going to consider this as a plus 10. I am going to move it over to the other side of the equation sign. When it goes over the equation sign, the term takes the inverse operation sign. So plus 10 becomes minus 10. Now we have x is equal to 18 minus 10. X is equal to 8. With the movement method, we literally just move to the constant over changing its sign. I mean, inverse operation as we go. For example, x plus 11 is 61. Now we move it other side. X equal 61. Inverse operation of plus minus. Addition, subtraction. Minus 11. X is equal 50.